This is the Aranet Stem Diameter Sensor Kit. The sensor is designed to monitor micro-variations in the stem diameter of plants. The kit consists of a stem diameter sensor and a grid-powered 4 to 20 mm sensor module that wirelessly transmits measurements to the Aranet base station. The sensor can be applied to plant stems with 5 to 25 mm diameters. Use this sensor in greenhouses to detect plant responses to growth factors, providing insights for optimizing ventilation, light screening, and irrigation. Evaluate daily changes in plant growth, including contraction amplitude, daily maxima trends, internal reserves, and other contributing factors to ensure healthy plant growth. Like all Aranet Pro Series sensors, this sensor sends data to the Aranet base station and allows customized analysis via the Aranet cloud to align with business needs.